Oh, you. Tell me how you. Baby, you look so cool.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I just wanted to do a video on how I basically grew out my big chop. If you guys don't know, I did go ahead and cut all of my perm ends off of my hair October 7th of 2017, and I will definitely insert a picture right here so you guys can see basically what my hair looked like once I did cut off my permed ends. But I just felt like it was time for me to do it. I had let my hair transition over from relaxed to natural for a period of about 2 years. So during that 2 years, I just let my hair do basically whatever it wanted to do, and I just kept wearing weaves. I just stopped getting relaxers. So my hair was very dry. I had a lot of split ends. My hair was just, it was just all out of whack, and I didn't like it. So it did get to a point in my life where I just hated my hair so much that I would only wear my real hair when I would get a relaxer, because I feel like when I would wear a relaxer, it didn't look nappy. It was just shiny and straight and flawless, okay? And so that would last me like 1 to 2 weeks, depending on if I would wrap my hair at night like I should. And then it came to the point to where I said, you know what? I have enough new growth to where I can cut my relaxed hair but still not look bald. So I just went for it. I scheduled me an appointment and I said, you know what? I'm gonna go natural. I'm gonna cut off these permed ends, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna start a new journey, because I do believe that everybody does have a good grade of hair. We just have to learn how to take care of our hair, and we have to learn what our hair needs. So after I actually cut off all of my relaxed ends, the first thing I definitely wanted to do, now that I would have this new bed of hair coming in nicely, I wanted to make sure that I really took care of it. So the first thing that I pretty much did was I began to wash my hair once a week. So I had this nice little short fro, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair once a week. So I would use the Cream of Nature, which I still do now, and I live by these products. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment, and the sulfate-free Moisture and Shine shampoo, and this hydrates your hair and it also detangles your hair. I also deep conditioned, like outside of an actual conditioner. Okay, so here it is. This is the tea tree cholesterol. Now I deep conditioned every single time I wash my hair. I put this on my hair and I sat under a bonnet dryer. So that's something else I started doing, was adding heat to my regimen. I know, you know, we wash our hair and we want to hurry up and wash it and, you know, get to styling, but we do have to remember to deep condition and actually add a heat tool in there. So a bonnet dryer is really cheap. It's like 10 bucks, and all you have to do is connect it to your blow dryer. So I continue to wear my wigs like I have one now. Sorry, I have my natural hair, y'all, but I actually have this wig sewed on, so I couldn't take it off for the video. I don't know if the Blue Magic has been making it grow as much, but I do know that this definitely nourishes my hair, and my hair does stay moisturized for a longer period of time when using this. And this is also something good to put under your wigs and weaves. I have my stylist actually braid my hair back and use some of this Blue Magic before putting this wig on my head, and yeah, so that helps. So you do want to make sure, you know, if you are protective styling, that you are putting some type of grease or oil or just something on your braids and your scalp under your wigs and weaves. Now, a big thing that has helped my hair grow as well is the vitamins, okay? So I take multivitamins, and I also take B12 vitamins. But what I do love about these vitamins is that they do have my biotin in here. So if you are trying to grow your hair, I do recommend getting some type of vitamin to use. I know a lot of people use Hair Affinity and use the Main Choice and things like that. I personally don't know if they work. I am a distributor for It Works, and we do have hair, skin, and nails vitamins, and a lot of clients have got great results from that. So if you do want to try a 90-day hair challenge, all you have to do is send me an email at tayb001337@gmail.com if you want to try those vitamins. So all of these products that I mentioned, like honestly, they've all helped my hair grow in some type of way. And I feel like my natural hair is definitely getting stronger and is getting thicker. And I'll leave all the links down below where you can see me actually getting my big chop done. You can actually see the products that I got right after I did my big chop, and then you can also see my different hair updates where I actually show you guys my hair routine. So be sure to look down below for those links. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you all today. I mean, it's really not a long video, but honestly, y'all, washing my hair once a week, deep conditioning my hair once a week, every single time I wash, and also protective styling. So wearing my wigs and everything, that has done a great big deal on my hair. And also, I just wanted to say the last little thing, because this is the one little product that I think worked the best on my hair, and I think this is honestly the product that has taken my hair growth up, and that is Jamaican black castor oil. If you watched my last video, then you did hear me mention Jamaican black castor oil is amazing. But seriously, you guys, if you are trying to grow out your hair, make sure whenever you are washing your hair once a week that you're applying that Jamaican black castor oil to your scalp first, massaging that in, and then I also apply a little bit to my whole bed of hair just to give it extra moisture. But that's something that I've done as well. I know sometimes we, apply oils to our hair and we just keep moving, but really make sure we're really massaging our scalps and we're really massaging those products into our hair. But that's something that has made my hair grow tremendously. So that is pretty much all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And if you are watching this video right now, leave me a comment, say what's up, tell me hey, okay? This was a requested video. I did get a question about my hair regimen and how I got my hair to grow, so I decided to make a quick video and just let you guys know what I kind of did to grow out my hair. But I'm telling y'all, wash your hair once a week, get you some Jamaican black castor oil, and see the results. Thank you all so much for watching my channel, and I do appreciate it, you guys. We're almost to 2,000 subscribers, and I couldn't do this without y'all. So thank y'all so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.